In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete a Facebook page on your PC. Whether you're looking to remove an old business page or perhaps just starting fresh with a new one, this guide will walk you through it step by step. So let's get started. First, we'll begin by opening up Facebook in your preferred web browser. It's crucial to ensure that you're logged into the correct account associated with the page you wish to delete. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This icon provides access to various account settings and options. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears, you're going to select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage all aspects of your Facebook account. As you click on Settings and Privacy, a new menu will appear from which you should select Settings. This will take you to a new page dedicated to account management. Next, navigate to the left sidebar of the settings page and locate Account Center. Clicking this will take you to Facebook's central hub for managing all connected accounts and pages. Within the Account Center, we're looking for personal details. Click on it and you'll find all the information regarding your account is neatly organized here. Now, find and click on Account Ownership and Control. This is where you can manage your account's destiny, so to speak. You're almost there. The next step is to select deactivation or deletion. Here you'll see an overview of the pages associated with your account. Select the page you wish to delete by clicking on it. A prompt will ask you to choose between deactivation and deletion. Deactivation is more of a temporary status, allowing you to reactivate at a later time, while deletion is permanent. For this tutorial, proceed by selecting delete. After choosing to delete, click continue. At this juncture, Facebook will ask for your reason for deletion. Simply select the option that fits your situation best and then click continue once more to proceed. Depending on your choice, you may be taken through a few more confirmation screens. With each screen, keep clicking continue as you verify your decision. Finally, Facebook will prompt you to enter your profile password to confirm that you want to delete the page. Go ahead and type in your password, then click continue again. And the last step, go ahead and click delete account. Congratulations, you've successfully deleted your Facebook page. Remember, once a page is deleted, the action cannot be undone. So, make sure this is indeed what you want to do before completing the process. And that's it. You have now learned how to delete a Facebook page using your PC. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.